Now let's look at pattern below. Much simpler than pattern above. Let me demonstrate. Using 6 strands of color number 10. First cut thread about 20 centimeters long. Fold thread in half. After folding, lay it flat above this line. Then use 6 strands of color number 9 as couching thread. Let's move this thread aside. You can see on this line some white dots marked. Come up with couching thread here. To secure main thread. If securing points unclear, move main thread aside first. Come up at securing point. Then place main thread back. Cross over main thread. Take down vertically opposite. Pull tight. Main thread now secured. No matter how front moves, this point stays fixed. Next, we'll stitch remaining securing points. Complete them all. Before securing points, better move main thread slightly. Easier to find securing points. Come up at point. Place main thread back. Hold main thread with finger. Prevent movement. Cross needle over main thread. Take down at opposite point. Lock main thread firmly. Come up. Following this method, complete remaining securing points. After finishing, knot it back. Cut both ends evenly with scissors around this position of thread end. Cut it off. Same operation on this side. Then adjust slightly with needle. Let's look at the result.